Where can I find interactive museums in New York City? New York City is a vibrant hub of culture and creativity, making it an ideal destination for those seeking interactive experiences in museums. Imagine stepping into a world where learning is not just about observing but engaging with exhibits that spark curiosity and inspire exploration. One standout location is the American Museum of Natural History. This museum offers a range of interactive exhibits that allow visitors to delve into the wonders of the natural world. You can explore the Hall of Ocean Life, where a life-sized model of a blue whale hangs from the ceiling, and participate in hands-on activities that make science come alive. The museum also features the Rose Center for Earth and Space, which includes a planetarium where you can experience immersive shows about the universe. Another fantastic option is the Children's Museum of Manhattan. This museum is specifically designed for younger audiences, providing a variety of interactive exhibits that encourage play and learning. From art studios to science labs, children can engage in creative activities that promote critical thinking and problem-solving skills. The museum often hosts special events and workshops, making each visit unique and exciting. For those interested in technology and innovation, the New York Hall of Science is a must-visit. Located in Queens, this museum features over 450 interactive exhibits that cover topics in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Visitors can participate in hands-on experiments, explore the outdoor science playground, and even engage with live demonstrations that make complex concepts accessible and fun. If you are looking for a more artistic experience, the Museum of Modern Art offers interactive programs that allow visitors to engage with contemporary art in innovative ways. Through workshops and guided tours, you can learn about the creative process and even create your own artwork inspired by the exhibits. Lastly, do not overlook the Intrepid Sea, Air and Space Museum. This unique museum is located on an aircraft carrier and offers interactive experiences that allow you to explore historic aircraft, submarines, and even the Space Shuttle Enterprise. Visitors can participate in flight simulators and learn about the history of naval aviation in an engaging environment. With so many options available, New York City is a treasure trove of interactive museums that cater to a wide range of interests. Whether you are a science enthusiast, a budding artist, or simply looking for a fun day out, these museums provide enriching experiences that are sure to leave a lasting impression.